Greetings, faculty members. We are Group 56 students presenting project final evaluation on topic abusive content detection on social media. We are a team of 4 members.
I, Harshit Goyal from ENC branch.
I, Barleen Kaur from ENC branch.
I am Siddhant Goyal, also from ENC branch.
And I am Kshitij Chaudhary from COE branch.
So, to start up with, social media has provided everyone to express views and communication with the people. But there's a lot of concern when people are misusing these platforms to spread abusive content or language on social media. Such language might hurt the sentiments of an individual, so it is necessary to detect such activities at the earliest to stop them from going further. So to implement this, we started up with Google Colab for training and testing a machine learning model. And also in the end, we used a graphic user interface that could give the output of a model. Coming up with the project overview, our project consists of different models of machine learning and a graphic user interface which shows the results of a trained machine learning model. In this model, we came up with various machine learning algorithms such as support vector machine, decision tree, k nearest neighbor, and logistic regression. Our model works well on datasets of English as well as English, which is well known as a combination of English and Hindi. So to make a bit unique, we also use TF-IDF vectorization for calculating TF-IDF score for each word in a corpus relative to the dataset and putting that information all together into a vector.
Now I am going to explain the working flow chart of our model. First of all, there is a data set generation. Second one part is data pre-processing. After that, there is a model selection and binding all the models. And next phase is model evaluation and optimization. And at the end, we saving the model for the deployment. Now let's dive into a working of our model. So in this model, we use different machine learning libraries like Pandas, NumPy, and Matplotlib, and many other libraries. After that, here we use import the dataset which we have used in our model. Now coming up with we use here we use data pre-processing where we remove the stop words and all the unnecessary words that we don't require for our model. After that, we perform vectorization. In our model, we use TF-IDF vectorization, which is used to convert the particular words into a number and then combine in a particular vector. After that, we perform test and split, where we split the data into two phases. First one is X-train and Y-test. At the end, we implement different machine learning algorithms on the extracted data. First one is logistic regression, where we got an accuracy of 93%. Similarly, we implement decision tree algorithm. After that, again we use KNN algorithms, where we gain an accuracy of 94. But we also use SVM. We gain the maximum accuracy of 94.9% among all these algorithms. So that's
Now I'll show you the graphic user interface and the user input based testing of a model. So this is the code for the GUI of our project, and this is the front end code. We have attached from the backend both the ML models with the English dataset as well as the English dataset. So now I'll run this code. As you can see on the output, there is an output screen which contains two buttons, one for the English model and one for the Hindi model. So now testing for the English model, I'll type in a sentence. Clicking on the English model, it classifies the text as non-abusive, which is the correct classification. Now testing for the Hindi model, I type in the sentence. Now clicking on the Hindi model button, it shows that the text is abusive, which is again a correct classification. And I can say that we have advanced in this field by introducing such a model which can correctly classify the English as well as the English text. Uh, so I like to conclude, and these are some of the outputs we have attached in the PPT. And I would like to conclude on this basis that our model is working correctly on English as well as English data set, and it is correctly classifying the text as non-abusive and abusive. Thank you.